The world's largest distribution and fulfillment centers benefit from TrueUp's comprehensive approach to precision installation, commitment to quality, and materials management accuracy. Fulfillment center conveyor installation projects commonly involve up to 8 different processes assigned to individual teams such as material ordering, installation, and commissioning. This multi-silo approach to a single project causes bottlenecks, delays, communication breakdown, and additional costs to the already daunting task of installing the miles of high-speed automated conveyance systems essential for successful distribution and fulfillment operations. To solve these costly issues, the TrueUp Automation and Installation Division established a strategic turnkey approach to fulfillment center automation and conveyor installation. It ensures our projects are executed with precision, efficiency, and quality. By consolidating responsibility of multiple processes, such as material shipment, inventory management, and installation, we minimize bottlenecks, improve communication, ensure consistent quality, and decrease costs. Contact us to discuss your needs for vendor consolidation and cost savings.